Welcome to the Phuket series of the Traveling Marketer. We are going to give you a tour of the resort we're staying in. We are at the 4 Points by Sheraton here at Patong Beach. I will also link the Phuket series playlist up above, and I will make sure to link it down below as well in the description so you can check it out.
My friends and I will talk like every other day, shaking the park where all the boys are riding skateboards. They look so hot, they look so cool. Everyone is around, and that's when
We're staying here for 7 nights because we booked it during the old sandbox rule where you have to stay in the same place for at least 7 nights. We're now with a test and go, and we didn't bother moving because it is actually cheaper, more convenient, and better. I say cheaper because this hotel is actually priced really well, and it's located in the heart of Phuket. It's at Patong Beach, which is one of the busiest, if not the busiest beach here in Phuket. Room rates start from 115 Australian dollars a night, and it is still very new, and you can really tell. 4 Points is the diffusion line of its more well-known parent company, Sheraton. All right, let's start with the room tour. We are staying at a standard room here at 4 Points. It is the smallest room, only 27 square meters, but it has all the basic necessities that you will need. If you didn't know, we are in Phuket to attend the wedding, and this is the official hotel of the wedding. The actual ceremony and reception is in here, but all the guests are staying in here. What's in the room and what is included? There's a TV. As you can see, it doesn't have cable, but it has a lot of foreign channels with where most of their guests are coming from. So there is the ABC News for Australia, so I'm happy with that, but there's no CNN. There's also free parking, but that doesn't really matter for us because we're not renting a car. But if you are, then they do have a free parking just right in front of the building. There's also free Wi-Fi. I haven't been using it. I don't know if Wade has been using it, but it seems to be pretty decent. We haven't, as I said, I haven't been using it. I'm just using the 4G on my phone. This is our view. It's not really the best. There's pool in there. I think these are the rooms with pool access. Always make sure that when you book a hotel, there is a window. Dion, that's one of my things. Even if this is a simple room, every room still has some sort of window. So as you enter, it's a very typical hotel layout. You will have the toilet on this side, on the right hand side, and then you have the wardrobe on this side. All right, let's go in the toilet. It is quite small, but it is very clean, very new, which I like, and it's got a bidet, so that's a win. Unfortunately, it's not a rain shower, which is my favorite, but that is okay. I also like the neutral colors. The most important thing about a toilet is it's clean. And we've already moved in, obviously. It's not, but they've just done housekeeping. I was waiting for that before we film. You can at least see the room in its practical state, where it's actually being used. You'll see a lot of our clothes drying. I like that they have some sort of dry clothes line, but there is a problem here. The shower floods. Yeah, so when you shower, the water settles into the drain. It's just not working as efficient as it should. Here's the wardrobe. It's very small, and as you can see, we have already moved in. I like packing my clothes, so hoping that it would help with the crease. I would usually request for more coat hangers, but I didn't because it's been so busy the past couple of days. I actually haven't properly moved in. What I would usually do is put everything that Wade and I are wearing for that duration of that stay, and then the jewelry is in here. Everything is set up, but it's pretty cool. They have robes, they have ironing board and an iron, which is what you need really. There's his safe. There's no spare pillows whatsoever, but I'm sure you can ask for that. Here's your mini bar. We never touch the mini bar really unless we're in a fancy resort, and it's all free. But the good thing about this place is you get free water, as it should. Really, that's one thing that I would always be looking for, and they are generous with it as well. As I mentioned, it is a small room, and this is the area where you put your luggage. I don't know why people do it, why they set up only one space for it for the most part, because we have a lot of luggages and they are scattered all over the place. It's an open layout, so straight up, that's the bed. You have the TV here, 2 bedside tables, and surprisingly, a couch and some sort of dining table. Say hi, Wade. The luggages are all over the floor, as I mentioned. Here to work, you can probably set up shop in there. Bed is pretty comfy. I don't also think it's, you know how they do 2 single beds stuck to each other? I'm not sure, but I don't think this one is, so that's really good. I believe it is a king size bed. The pillows are okay. There are 4. I do prefer our pillows at home, but because I think you always pick the one you really like because you use it every day, and I don't think it's a resort where you can request the type of pillow. pillow, but it's still pretty decent. There's a quilt, which I like. The TV is not too far from the bed, which is perfect. It's a good distance. There are 2 bedside tables. There's a night light. There's plenty of drawers in there. I tend to leave those drawers alone because I'll forget things. There's a USB charger, good. There's a universal power point as well, amazing. And the master switch and lights are all in there. So that's a good bed. It's a new hotel, so that's what you typically would expect anyway.
Saw that someone new that from around. Is he on holiday or will he stick around? He looks so hot, he looks so cool. Hope to see him in school. And now he walked up right to me, and my knees got weak and I just had to leave. It was weird, I'm so shy.
The lobby is very open and spacious. It's simple, it's modern. There's one hub or area per reception rather than the usual long reception. So that's really cool, especially for coffee.
You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're around. You are the hottest boy in town. I'm dreaming of a kiss from you and hoping it will all be true. But this is my imagination, and it's real to me. I'm a girl in love. Yeah, it did happen and to me into a wreck. It got me thinking, but I found a solution. She said,
All right, this is probably one facility that we will use the least, the gym, but we're 30 plus millennials, so we gotta burn all those Thai food, amazing Thai food that we are going to eat.
love, she really is. Will I get any chance to see him? That's when I saw him standing next to me in class. I ain't ready and my heart is beating fast. She's so in love, she really is. Something happened, I couldn't speak a word. Now he said hi, what to do? Once again my knees got weak, I had to leave. It was
All right, we weren't planning on having buffet because, you know, I'm like over 60 kilos now. I'm at my heaviest, but gonna try it out so you guys can see what the food is like. I took a lot of B-rolls and I'm starting with some dumplings. I don't like to mix my food, so I only go with one thing first and I'll keep going back, and I'll have some juice. It'll be amazing.
weird. I said stop. You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're around. You are the hottest boy in town. I'm dreaming of a kiss from you and hoping it will all be true. But this is my imagination, and it's real to me. I'm a girl in love. I'm a girl in love. I'm a girl in love.
This place boasts 4 swimming pools. 2 of them are kids, but still, that's pretty much a lot. We're in the lagoon pool, which wraps around the whole property, and there's someone doing boxing behind us, so they're a bit loud, but it's really good and it's quite impressive. They also provide you towels, and it's open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. It's actually pretty good for some lap swimming because it's not deep. I think it's 1.2 or 1.5 meters, which is perfect for the little me.
You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I'll drop my cool when you're around. You are the hottest boy in town. I'm dreaming of a kiss from you and hoping it will all be true. But this is my imagination.
We're at the deck pool now, which is open slightly later. We're supposed to go here for a night swim, but we thought we'd come in now. It's really bright. This one is open till 9 p.m. and it's definitely a bit good for laps, but it's definitely not designed for it. If I want to exercise, I'd go to the lagoon pool. It's definitely busier because there's a bar in here and you get to see the ocean. But it's really weird because if you're looking at it from the road, it's literally the road down there. I just can see a van right there driving past. Wait, Tots, let's get in the water, see what that feels like.
It's very bright,
It is very bright.
for sure.
And it's real to me. You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're
We're at Patong Beach now. 4 Points by Sheraton is actually beachfront, and I say beachfront because it's actually not by the beach. You actually have to cross one of the main roads here in Phuket to get to it, but it's still pretty damn close, and we have a pool right there overlooking it.
I'm a girl in love. We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. Yeah, we just never get right. You're playing games with me, being my sympathy, but not enough to say goodbye. We stick together, but I know, it isn't for the better. No,
Baby doll. I love my baby doll. Baby doll.
I hope you guys found that useful if you're looking for a place to stay here at Patong Beach or in Phuket. Patong Beach is actually a pretty good spot. It's quite central, but what I found, Wade, everywhere that we wanted to go are a bit far from it, interestingly enough. We kept going south side or the Phuket Old Town, but this is really convenient in terms of having everywhere nearby. It's still pretty good. Hotel is very new. It's clean. Only thing I really didn't like is the shower flooding. Outside of that, I can't complain.
Sure, they'll fix that by the time people get here.
We're moving to a different resort. From tomorrow, we'll do another tour of that. But thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We'd really appreciate it. Any parting words, Wade?
Go holiday.
I agree, but be careful. See you again later for more Phuket fun. Bye.